Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making Akara. You will need black eyed pea flour, which I got from my local African store. You will need onion, garlic. You typically would use a Scotch bonnet, but I'm using a bell pepper. Today, here's the flour. It does have the directions on the back of the bag to tell you what you need to put in it, to season it, and also how to fry them. Heads up, you do have to let this proof for about 4 hours so that the dough comes together before you can fry this, but they are delicious. So here is my 1 cup of flour to 1.5 cups of water. And I am just going to stir this in. So in my food processor, I have a clove of garlic, a small onion, and 3 sweet bell peppers, traditionally Scotch bonnet peppers. You use one of those, but I don't like the heat, so no heat. But I still want the color, so I'm going to use this sweet bell pepper. We'll grind it up, put that into my mix, and let that proof for 4 hours. Hours later, I am frying up the Akara. I will let you see how they come out in a second. They look really, really good, and they are puffing up perfectly.